Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we're just going to be breaking down some of the best free stock screener tools available. All right, available to you, to help you narrow down the best opportunities in the market. All right. Now, a stock screener is a must-have if you want to quickly filter thousands of stocks based on your personal criteria like price, volume, or technical setups. Okay. So instead of spending hours searching manually, all right, a good screener can bring the best options right to your screen. Okay, so let us start with TradingView. All right, let us actually start with TradingView. You know, TradingView is not just known for its charting, right? It's actually it has the free version, right? Even though that it has a paid plan, but the TradingView also has the free version that has a lot of features that you can take advantage of. Okay, and its free stock screener is one of the most powerful tools that you can use. All right, you can see this is the stock screener on TradingView. It's one of the most powerful tools that you can use. You can actually filter stocks, based on technical indicators, market capitalization, fundamentals, and much more. The best part is that it integrates directly with TradingView's advanced charts, right? So this means that you can screen for a stock, then immediately pull it up on a clean, professional charts, as you can see, to analyze in detail. So for traders who want speed and accuracy, TradingView is actually a fantastic choice. Okay, so next up, let us look at Finviz. All right, now we can just search for it up here. So Finviz actually is one of the favorites among traders, right? It has been a favorite among traders for years because of its straightforward design and wide range of free filters. Okay, so you can actually search for stocks, based on fundamentals like earnings and debt, or technicals like moving averages and RSI. One of the standout features of Finviz is its heat map. All right, the heat map, which gives you a quick visual overview of how sectors and individual, stocks are performing. All right. So for anyone who wants a fast and efficient way to scan the market, Finviz actually delivers exactly that. Okay. Now, next up, let's just quickly talk about Yahoo Finance. All right. Let's quickly talk about Yahoo Finance. Now, while it is not as advanced as TradingView or Finviz, Yahoo Finance still offers a very useful free stock screener. Okay, it's simple, accessible, and integrates with Yahoo's financial news and data. All right. So if you are looking for a tool that is easy to use and pairs with basic financial analysis, this works well, right? The Yahoo Finance stock screener. Yahoo Finance stock screener works well. Okay, so as you can see, the stock screener Although you won't compare this with that of TradingView or the Finviz, right? But it's quite handy, for those who are just starting out. And you can see this is a screener, right? So it's quite handy for those who are just starting out and want to combine stock screening with research on company fundamentals and news. Okay, so another option, all right, another option is going to be Market Watch. All right, so let's look at Market Watch screener. Okay, so Market Watch keeps things straightforward with filters for price, dividend yield, market cap, and other key factors. Okay, it doesn't overwhelm you with features, but it does exactly what it promises. Okay, it helps you, filter out stocks and filters out your stocks for you quickly and build a watch list without too much effort. Okay, without too much effort, you can see, pretty straightforward, right? So for many traders, that simplicity is a big plus, right? So which free stock screener is the best? Well, it depends on your trading style, right? If you love detailed charts and customization, well, TradingView is actually an excellent pick. TradingView is an excellent pick. Then if you want a quick overview, with plenty of filters and a visual edge, then we might want to look at Finviz. Okay, Finviz might be your best bet. All right. Then if you are after simplicity and integrated financial data, then you might, want to look at Yahoo Finance, right? Yahoo Finance actually works well. Okay. And then if you prefer straightforward functionality, without distractions here and there, then maybe you might, find MarketWatch valuable. All right. Setting your filters and just use a straightforward approach. Okay. So the key is choosing the tool that helps you make better and faster trading decisions. Many traders even use more than one screener. For example, scanning on Finviz and then maybe analyzing on TradingView, right? You can actually use more than one if you wish. Okay, so you're not exactly restricted to just one. You can actually maybe make reference to two or even more, all right, for different purposes. So the key is choosing the tool that helps you make better and faster trading decisions. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We post regular content, that are very, very helpful to you as a trader, all right, to help you to stay ahead. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading.